Out in space at last, Linda begins to repair the telescope, but the telescope is bent and her repair tools does not fit. This means she must get the telescope into the cargo bay to do the repairs. Linda tells the commander about her problem. He moves out the robotic arm to pick up the telescope. But will it reach? Linda stands on the arm and gives directions. The arm is just long enough. Linda catches the telescope. The commander brings it back on the robotic arm to the orbiter's cargo bay. It takes a few hours for Linda to repair the telescope. Then she helps the commander to pick it back in space. Linda is happy that she has done her job. Now Linda has to work out on an exercise machine. She's lighter in space than on Earth, so her bones and muscles do not have to work very hard. She must exercise for 2 hours a day. This stops her from growing weak. Linda works hard on the machine. A doctor checks her health as she exercises. After her workout, Linda washes with wet wipes. There are no showers on board. Drop of floating water can damage the equipment. There is a toilet though. It sucks everything safely away. Soon it is Linda's turn to sleep. She climbs into a bunk on the wall and lies down. The astronauts live in ships, so some of the crew are always awake to work. It is time to return to Earth. It could be dangerous. Earth is surrounded by a blanket of gases called the atmosphere. The orbiter must re-enter to the atmosphere at a perfect angle. If it re-enters too steeply, it will burn up. If it comes down at too shallow an angle, it will bounce into space. The parallel gas is just right. The orbiter re-enters the atmosphere safely. The orbiter is red hot. It is 1357 degrees, but it is covered with special tiles to stop it from burning up. Suddenly, Linda sees the tile fly past the window. Linda does not worry. There are still enough tiles on the orbiter to protect it. The orbiter starts to glow through the air. In only 40 seconds, the spacecraft will touch down. The pilot lowers the landing gear. Then the orbiter lands. A drop chute like a parachute helps to slow it down. The astronauts have to wait for the orbiter to cool down, unless they come out. Linda looks up into space. She's already looking forward to her next mission.